This is how you can lock all of your notes at once on the iPhone. So we open up the Notes app, and of course you can go to your notes in here. For example, I go to my local storage and I have the ability to click on one of them and click on lock right for it individually. However, if you want to make the lock apply to every single note, we actually have to come back to the home screen like that, hold down on the Notes app and choose the option which says require Face ID. And if you do it like this, you can see that it's going to give you a little breakdown or explanation what happens. But when the app will require Face ID, it just means that you will not be able to get inside unless you scan your face or type in the passcode to get inside. So not the individual notes are locked, but the whole thing at once, right? So you can click on require Face ID, confirm it like this, and then now you need to get inside only with the Face ID. So that's essentially the best way to lock all of your notes at once. You can always lift it up if you hold down on it again and click on a don't require Face ID, and then now there isn't any lock on the notes anymore. But that is essentially everything I wanted to share. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about this below in the comments. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.